Yeah, man. Down from the riverside. Down there.
Kumahan na alam ba? Put the long on these ends, right?
Yeah, man, I'm brawling.
Right.
Right. Mm-hmm.
You feel the plan we right now, babe?
Mm-mm.
Like it will come out so good.
River with navigator and the G them. Water cool. Hey, guys, look like we can bat like a 1 bath pan of water. So the rock shape good. Buckler. A navigator there.
And you know only that yesterday I put me and run by going at them on my status. Right fucking yeah. I swear to God.
Yeah, man. Shitty that river with my friend them, man. Long time look a party, you see me? Brawling. Let's start. Hold it down back again then. Shaking at to make them sister a brawling. Yeah. Yeah, man, my skill, man. Me now wet up. You see? And me now want my phone get wet. I will soon upgrade the camera to, you know. You see me? I G them there all are fresh. So I give them some privacy a little bit. You see, pre? Yeah. So we are taking up here so now up in a riverbed. You see me? So you go see big rock stone and some whole heap of butterfly and want to see me run and jump cross? A navigator there. I soon touch the water. Cause you know we not touch the river and not touch the water. You see me? Yeah, man, you see me G them down there so I get ready up and you see me? Far out. Brawling. So navigator here jump but I no frog business. Ooh, we see the river and nature. Just do the right thing. Subscribe to Navigator YouTube channel. You see, pre? Subscribe to Navigator YouTube channel. And look out for my big bad song where I go drop, you know. Fat zoom zoom, you see me? Yeah. Jamaica girl them fat. Jesus. Wine up. Wine up. Girl them with the fat. Zoom zoom. Wine up. Wine up and Navigator. Yeah, man. So there are all the vibes at the river. Yeah, we are reaching near part. Whoa, yo. Yeah. The water pretty. Oh, Spani hill, mummy na pay rent. Mula ina cheese, so she na beg a cent. Talk me no talk, money talk me no venta. Me rifle detect them like sensor. So me step for the cheddar with me heart and me soul and me blood clot mind full of vengeance. Serious cause me want about 10 yard. All of me dog them push real fraud. Outside man, brawling man, do the right thing. As you can see me under vibes, I'm just a whole of vibes and I free up myself today, you see me? Yeah. You see, Pre? We just do the right thing, man. Yeah? Navigator there. Do the right thing, man. You see, Pre? Do the right thing. Subscribe and like and share, man. You see me? Holy Puna go see from Navigator this year. You see me? So just look out for the changes and the surprises. So we're there river and we are take a wash off. You see me? So a brawling. Mother Nature like when we wake up and wash your face first. King Selassie, man. Feel the energy of water from reach, brother. Feel the connection. You see me, we have to connect with nature sometime and stay far from human being. You see me? Me no fear, me a fight the demons. Every morning me class my hands. Close one of me eyes and kneel and pray. Yeah. Cover me and give me guidance. Cause you know me have to seek protection. Me trample Goliath, me na fear, no. Determination, Jah me rely upon. Touch me heart and rise me right hand. Cause you know me stay far from humans. Some blessing it can't be taken true. Warriors, we are the chosen. And me tell them say faith move mountains. A 7-time rise, ma could spend na fail, no. If a man a fail, I go fight again. No level for the devil. No, 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 no. Me a make my wish. Me a make my wish. Ooh. Me a make my wish. Yeah, man. So you know a Navigator there I represent for Navigator YouTube channel. Subscribe, click the like button, share. We have enough thing I got drop. So you just stay in tune to Navigator YouTube channel. Remember me did tell you, know, just do the right thing. Do the right thing. Yeah, yeah, man. So we're there. I go on all the vibes and so we take a day and just connect with nature. Cause you know our style. And we are ghetto youth. So we just come free up some energy from half away and yeah. Big up to everybody we are watching and stay in tune. Big up yourself. You see me? Just behave yourself. Here when daddy talk and mommy talk, you know, boy. Yes, so we're there up on the riverside today, a day in life with Navigator, you see me? You don't know me alone. Anyway, you don't see me and me alone. And God, but you know, you see me? Brawling, watch there. Yeah, anybody come here so wash away all your problems. You see me? Yeah. I am what God wants me to be. I can only be myself. Everybody repeat after me. I can only be myself. Can't be nobody else. You see, pray? Yeah. Me can't be nobody else. Me have to be myself. Yeah. One, Ocean. What me I go do? You have to just slow me or do what I do. You see me? Me just go and live, brother. I'm telling you. And I want to tell you, say me and my two friends them there with a girl. Me just give them little privacy for them be that fan. You see, Pre? Yeah. So you know me I go circle them back. Bun a weed. Jump across some rock. Yeah, boy. Navigator fit, you know. Nobody feel like I don't know ramping. When you see we touch the river, we can all skate past stone. You feel like a music and cooking alone we do. Here. We skill on the hills them and the rock too. Watch there. We don't see some bad. Watch there. Watch where me I go. Boom buckler. You don't see some fit. Run pan thing me a run. Fit me fit. So when I go in the studio, rhymes me a spit. Ah! So my G them ya. Don't see some find them. And I didn't light up the weed yet. Now man the camera now see you man, so you not fi hide.
Come down.
Yeah. So where we there? I'm not Billy up yet. I'm reaching now, I wait for you. A brawling man.